Okay, today I'm gonna do this blood test, which is actually the glucose or sugar test, right? And this is the one Keto Mojo, which I bought. Actually, it's pretty good. Uh, it comes with these strips. So this is Keto Mojo strip. This is for basically noting down or measuring your sugar level, blood sugar level. And I have the other one, which is this one is for it's for keto. So let's say if you fast and you want to check that your body goes into ketogenesis once you don't get enough food or glucose or carbs. So then your body goes into keto and it starts burning fats, right? And so you can measure your keto numbers through this strip also with the same device. You don't need to buy another one, right? So here, let me start this. So now it is on. So I'm gonna cut this strip and put the. Let me clear this table first. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna use this strip. So let me cut this out. Okay. Oh, it's a little bit difficult to, take it out. So let's see. I cut additional piece, and now yes, I can pretty much get this thing out. It's a little bit tricky to take it out, but that's fine. Just takes a little bit time. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I cut on the wrong side, but anyway, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, here you go. So this is your strip. Make sure you don't touch, your hands are clean. So I'm gonna push this here. Okay, once I push it, you can see that it's ready to measure the glucose, to measure the sugar in your blood system. You can see that it is showing GLU, that is for glucose. Usually if you put a keto on, it will show you keto, and it will show you this sign that it's ready to take the blood. It's ready to test it. So now now there is another piece here. Actually, this is the Keto Mojo. Like you can take out the blood through this device. So what I'm going to do is this is currently at 5, marked at 5, right? So I'm going to take my hand here, and okay, before that I need to load it. Okay, so now it is loaded. 5 is actually, it can take a pretty deep, it can pierce deep into your hand. You can go up to 5, actually this is the max. So I'm just gonna take 5 anyway. So, so that's it. You can see the blood is there now. You can, usually they say that you basically clean this up and then use that one, but I'm fine actually. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. And so what you do is, once you have the blood, you just do this so that there is a fine capillary here. You can just use this fine capillary here, and it sips, and now you can see that it is taking the. So my blood sugar is 89, which is well below 90. Since I'm fasting, this is it's okay. It's not that great, but it is good enough. I think you guys, I just did this video just to, help others so that they can use this to monitor their blood glucose level. Thanks for watching.